This video will show you how to create a form, which is the data entry screen, to allow new loans to be made for members of the books in the library, so that you don't have to keep going to the tables all the time and entering them in a rather unuser friendly way. So the first thing we do is to choose Forms over here on the left hand side, and as usual there's a wizard here that can help us out, so we double click on Wizard and that'll then pop up on the screen. And the first thing it does is to ask us which fields we want to take from which of our tables to display on the screen. What data are we going to see? And so the whole thing is going to revolve around a member making a loan. So if we choose members and then we choose all of the fields that we want here for the members, I'm just going to ignore member ID and just go through all the things that we normally have, the address and the telephone number and so on. And we choose another one of these tables from the top here, and we'll certainly want to see the title of the book when it comes up. But what we can actually do is to go and take that from the loans table and just take the book ID and add that. Okay, and the book ID, because it's linked to the books table, will always give us all of the information from the books table anyway. So let's just follow this through and see what happens. So you can see what happens when I click on there. What we're getting here is a preview of what we're going to see, which is all of the members' information at the top there, the name and their address and so on, and then the information about the book is going to appear down here in what's called a subform. But let's have a look at what that's going to look like, just following all the nexts all the way through here until I get to finish. And what pops up on the screen is, well, we'd already booked some books, loaned some books out to some of the members, and so what we've got at the top here is Alan Aardvark, and in the subform underneath you can see already what we've got is the two books that we chose earlier on in the previous video, the two books that we've loaned out. But if we want to add another book there to that loan, what we do is click there underneath, and up pops our new drop down box, our combo box, and we can then go and choose the third one, and we can then add an extra book to Alan's loan there. If we say we want to do something with Dora, we can click over there and Dora Dribble comes up. We can add an extra book for her as well, which is quite useful. There we go, History of Modern France. And that's the way that we can add extra records to the loans.